Land of the Bondage, Land of the Free by Raul Manlapus. Once upon a time, the Tao owned a piece of land. It was all he owned, but he cherished it. For it gave him three things, having which he was content. Life, first of all, and liberty and happiness. Then one day, the Spaniard came and commanded him to pay tribute to the crown of Spain. The Tao paid tribute, and he was silent. He was certain that he was still the master of his land. The Spaniard became rich, but with riches, evil came to him. He came to the Tao a second time. He read to the Tao a formidable document saying, according to the Decretorial, which unfortunately you cannot read, this is that you have paying me is not a tribute, but rent. For the land is not yours, but mine. The Tao paid tribute and said nothing. He ceased to be a free man. He became a serf. Still, the Tao held his peace. The rent went up and up. The Tao starved. And this time, at last he spoke. Not in words, but with rustic instrument, with which he cleared the land once he owned, the bolo. He transformed it from an instrument of tillage to an instrument of death, and with it drove away the stranger. Then he returned to his field, saying, now indeed I shall be the master of this land, once my own but stolen from me by the trickery of quicker wits than mine. But the Tao was wrong, for the land had another master, this time not a stranger, but his own countryman, grown rich. The Tao had a new name, Kasama, which means to us partner, but which to the Tao means still a slave. For once more he suffered from his countrymen the same thing he suffered from the stranger, the rents, the usury, and all the rest of it. Yes, the Tao returned to his field thinking that he was free, but he soon discovered that he was still a stranger. His prison, a two-room shack, rent by every wind without any comforts, except that three families have their privilege to starve. The Tao home became his very prison. Its doors, if you can call them such, are wide open. Is a prison nonetheless, for the Tao is bound to it. Not with chains of steel, but with a stronger chain. His honor of this day, the Tao remains slave, a prisoner of the usurer.